Ji, come fast. Yes. And this is the last village of India. Because this is the last village, Mana, of India's border. We came here by luck. And inshallah we will work above here.
I want to ask you within 2 minutes, what feelings have you in your heart to come here, and what are you feeling to seeing these mountains and above the Himgiri? And you know that this is the second last village of India, and this is just behind me are the last village of India. We both are standing between the second last village and last village, and this is very pure water according to according to Hindu mythology. Would you like to touch this water or drink this water? What are you saying about this?
I am feeling very good, very well to come here because it is a natural scenery
Natural.
and
Yeah.
like the heaven.
Heaven.
This river's water is very pure and white water. I cannot take it because it is very hot water.
Hot water.
It is coming from the highest peak of this valley, and there is snow, only snow.
Only.
Snow is becoming water, and
Smelting.
is melting in water.
This water is
and
coming from melting the snow.
yes,
So this is
Very
distilled,
cold.
like distilled water and pure water. Any impurity is not finding about
in this water.
in this water. So every Hindu mythology, according to Hindu
Hindu
mythology,
mythology.
this is suggested as a cleanest water of India, but it is coming from the Chinese peak and the border of the Himalayas, etc. Would you like to say something more about the mythology of Hindu, about this water and this river? What is the name of this river? Would you like to tell me?
According to the Hindu mythology, it is the river Alaknanda. It is Alaknanda, and its water is pure according to them. They came here every year in the season of worship because it is the season of snow, and snowing had started the peak and on the peaks of this valley and these mountains. It is
Hello, Mr.
Purified.
Stop, Mr. Rizwan. I want to ask something you that
Yes.
you are standing just among the river, and this morning water is very beautiful. Would you like to have any ambition in your heart? Have you feel any fear or fearness that you know that any time air will come and maybe come water from Delhi, and I am unknown about that water. If so many amount water coming from the valley, we cannot cross this river, but we can below with the water. Do you have any fear about this like Abda?
Yeah. Firstly, when we will not come here and we watch these mountains, I feel some fear. But when we started to come here and we came to here, fear has gone from
Fear
our
has
heart.
gone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have to come the largest moment of this valley, and this river is belonging from these mountains
Behind
this last page of the India. I am feeling very better, and I am feeling that I have to come in the heaven of India,
of India.
because the original heaven in
Above this world.
जी above.
Above this world.
It
According
is
to our mythology,
जी, जी.
real heaven is above this world.
जी, जी,
But
जी.
according to Hindu mythology, this
It
is
is
the
the heaven of this
India
world.
and all
this,
all the
this
world
part of India.
part of India.
And my ambition to come again here,
Yes.
and we will take a bath in this water. I am not taking a bath now because we have to late very much, and we have to go down
Down.
villages, downless villages. We are late, so we are going the village. If we were not started to go at this time, we will be late at night.
Here, your statement and comment are very good, and I am agree with your statement. And like every word, what would you like to say about these pure stone, white stone, and impurity?
I never watched like these pure stones and water. It is the first time of my life when I am watching these stones, like these stones and water,
Water.
belowing the mountains, the peaks of mountains, and is going down the villages. And I am feeling very better standing in the middle of this river. I wanna something. I wanted to ask something from you, dear Ruil Saab. Please tell me, how are you feeling to standing in the middle of this river?
You know that I have passed 24 years of my career life, but I have a great ambitions to see the all India as like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When I read Discovery of India, I have a great ambition to see the hillside. I have to see north side all over India, but I cannot come here.
What are you feeling to watch the
And I feel
belowing this water so far?
this is very dangerous and needful water, but I have no fear in my heart, because my ambition is greater than fear of this roaring water and flowing water. And these stones, largest stones, are very good, like to me, and I like most these stones. But these stones were very destroyedful, and they destroyed before 2 years many
3 years.
humans. 3 years.
Yes,
Many human life and houses
That's right.
and valley and etc. So I think that we should not stay here more time, and we have a short time to go on my destination. So let us go from here, and I want to stop my commentary from here.
Would you like to come here again in your life?
Yeah, if I get chance to come here, I am surely will come here and see these very minute and big.
Okay, thank you.